Happy birthday to Manny Gabutina of ABS-CBN Sports, taking care of the graphics that you see on TV. Mga stats po natin na lumalabas. What a great job Manny has been doing for us. Back to the game. 8-3 Adamson. Set number 2. They also have 1-0 against FEU, and Pao Soriano is on a roll.
Wow. And that's what a true leader does, Eric, no? Every time she's in the front, gets her teammates involved, shows them that she's really their leader, and it really rubs off with the rest of the team.
Service receptions, hindi na maganda para sa FEU. Everything not going right here. Joust at the net. That's going to be won by FEU.
Joust. Lady Tamaraw.
Cortel trying to argue her case, pero 2 officials say she touched the net. Let's see here. It seems like, I don't know, I can't really tell from that angle.
Well, Eric, wala na mga amin talaga sa mga.
Speaking from experience, I can tell.
Oh, yeah. Bihirang-bihira yung
Yes, sorry, ako po.
yung amin agad sa net. Lagi ang tingin yan doon sa kalaban sila. But that time it was Cortel, actually her left hand. Humihinabol niya eh. And she tried to sell the call. Can't blame her. And I commend her for that. But you've got Lumer Pajarillo right in front of where that happened. So, kitang-kita ng ating second referee.
Better defense on the drops behind the blockers para sa FEU. They're picking it up. Zapanta, nice dig by Palma. It's still alive. Free ball para sa Adamson. Soriano, that was a little bit behind her.
Tatlo nag-block nun. Ayun na naman, tatlo lumusot na rin.
Napako na lang si Palma doon. Di niya na alam kung saan siya pupunta. What a great job again by Pao Soriano as we go ahead and check in with Judy Sarah.
Eric and Ian, kung nakangiti yung Coach Ness ang nakita natin kanina, ngayon ay parang nagbago na ang mood niya dahil sa naging resulta ng first set at sa mga nangyayari ngayon. The whole coaching staff was very disappointed because supposed to be the first set should be for the Moraita squad. Sabi ni Coach Ness, ang problema kasi sa inyo, pag humahabol na yung kalaban, natataranta na kayo. Hindi nyo na kayang kontrolin. Coach Ness added that if they're having problems with their positioning, dapat gawan nila agad ng paraan. Dagdag pa niya, tayo ang dapat mag-dictate ng tempo. Kailangan nating bumawi. Eric?
Thank you, Judy. Ito na nga. Service receptions, wala na. Pati sa opensa, wala na rin for Rojas as everything is just going south para sa Tamaraws. And I was looking at Coach Pamilar and wala, hindi mo na maipinta yung...
Oh, parang blanco na eh, di ba? Ito, nag-time out si Coach Ness. Let's listen in.
Pakinggan natin.
Isip niyo ba yung ginagawa niyo sa loob? Ha?
Larry.
Ano mo iniisip niyo ba? Ha? Hindi kayo masagot. Hindi niyo nga iniisip. Eh, malayong-malayo na score. Hindi niyo pa alam. Kasi niyo, pag pumasok sa loob ng goal, dapat pag-isipin, alam niyo yung ginagawa niyo. Hindi yung basta maglalaro lang.
By the tone of the voice and the words he spoke, alam mong wala na siyang masasabi. I mean, he said it all, and it's just a challenge for these ladies now. Lumaro naman kayo.
Ayun, 12 points yung Adamson na yan. I believe 6 or 7 of those points came from this girl serving right now. Pao Soriano, even adding a service ace to that, no? Prior to that serve.
On a floater. What a shot there by Zapanta, but a great dig as well by Bagang. Vargas softened by the block. Guevara is rejected. Cortel, too wide.
Well, she asked for it and the set was given to her by Makatuno, but again, it was too wide. Finally, FEU stops the bleeding, gets a point on the board, and kita mo si Vargas, nababantayan ng gusto nitong depensa ng Adamson. They did their homework on Vargas and it's showing right now.
The timing of the blockers of Adamson is impeccable today. Makatuno, top set. What a shot from Guevara.
Uy!
That's Dawson with a push. Zapanta fires away, malakas.
She had the right thing in mind. It was an open spot, pero that lacked the top spin that normally would make the ball spin down and hit the line.
Ito nagkakaroon ng konting buhay ang Lady Tamaraos. Let's see if-
Maybe it's their turn to play catch up, you know,
Mhm.
like what Adamson did in the first.
Or we'll have to wait and see how they perform here. Cortel, just a push. Bagang catches the line,
That's
and
inside.
eto na ang FEU.
That's inside. All right, that timeout of Coach Ness good, did a lot of good for FEU.
Vargas stay to serve. Adamson.
5 na lang.
Eh kung wala pa naman nangyari sa timeout, ewan ko na kung anong gagawin ni Coach Ness, ano?
If it did a lot of bad, wala na. Nice serve.
Zapanta. Much more active defensively ang FEU, ano?
Down the middle.
Very soft touch by Dawson. An excellent one-hand set from Giselle.
Forces Adamson
At
to
ito,
cross.
Adamson naman ang tatawag ng timeout, Eric.
4 straight points para sa FEU. Pakinggan natin si Coach Meneses.
Walang first step, set ng maayos. Hindi mapalo eh. O pagka na-depensa nila, basa na. Yan na naman nun, dinrap ball na naman ng quick, oh. Dinrap ball ng quick, taas nyo na, atake na tayo. Ha? Focus mo sa receive. Mayet, receive muna. Hingi ng bola. 4 na lang yan, no?
From 4-12, mabul ng 4 na lang din. Eh, makakatay na ang FEU. And syempre, nag-alala. First-year head coach Sherwin Meneses.
And we expected this from these two teams. Really, two teams that defend very well, Eric. Two teams that are evenly matched. We talked about that in the pregame. Two teams that had to go to a playoff last year. So, alam natin to magbabalikan and the matchups are really good, both in offense and in defense.
Vargas
We
gets
expected
ball.
nothing less
Yes.
Back to
from
the foul.
Adamson and FEU. But an error on the serve by Vargas. Naka-free point doon ang FEU. And ito, nakakuha sila ng 4 na straight. Nagbigay din sila ng straight na 2.
And that was a good set from Giselle, but Dawson hitting the tape. Sayang. At Adamson again. Good timeout by Coach Sherwin.
One
Meneses.
block by Guevara gives the point.
Nice serve by Zapanta. It's still alive. Free ball para sa Adamson. Makatuno looks for an offensive player. And si Cortel. Ano bang was it out? No, it's in.
All right, Coach Ness complaining that ball landed out. And the question is, was there a touch on Bagang? So yun yung tanong. But definitely the receiver or the defender on the floor defense, hindi tinamaan yung bola.
Yes.
Tignan natin.
The receiver let it go. Tingnan natin kung nag-check ball.
Mukhang malayo. Ayan. Yan sinasabi ni Coach Ness. Tumama na sa outside bago tumama kay Vargas.
Wait a minute. It did seem like it's...
So it's out.
So it's out. Okay, so they changed...
They overrule, yeah.
They overrule yung first call.
Mhm. 4 touches. That ball hit the tape. Kaya mahirap naman kontrahin si Coach Ness dahil sa harap niya nangyari. Tignan mo, kung saan siya nakaupo, doon mismo nangyari.
Oo, tumama, no?
Kitang-kita niya.
So, 4 na lang ulit ang hahabulin ng FEU. 10 serving 14. Set number 2.
Nice serve.
Beautiful serve. Oh, Dawson, that's an overreach.
Oh, wow. Both
Because
referees agree.
Makatuno clearly was trying to set it
Yeah.
up. And Dawson, inabot niya yung bola to tip it down.
And Makatuno, give credit to her because she kept her composure. Kahit nakita niyang mabilis yung dating ng bola, isiset pa rin. And yun nga, nakatawagan ng overreach tong si...
Bagang hitting the antenna. That's out of bounds. Balik sa 6 ulit ang kalamangan ng Adamson. Urong sulong itong FEU. They gain 2 points. They throw away 2. And it's 16-10 Adamson. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Feel the rush that comes with victory in the UAAP